Hi guys, do you have a list of chores around the house of things that need to get done and they just seem to keep piling up because you don't have any time to do it, or maybe you don't even have the know-how to do it? Well, I'm here to help you out. My name is Joe Salazar. Welcome to my channel. This is the Honey-Do List. Today I'm going to show you something. I was in the garage, I have a lawnmower, and you've probably witnessed this with plastic. See how the plastic gets all faded and it gets all oxidized by the sun because it's just been sitting outside for a long time? Well, I'm going to show you how to clean that thing up and make it look almost as good as new. So hang in there, stay with me. And if this is the first time you've been to this channel, what I do here is help show you how to get things done around the house. If you don't know how to do it, I'll give you instruction. I have tons of projects that I'm always working on, and the goal here is for both of us to learn and get those projects done. And that honey-do list that keeps piling up, we could get you on target. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So basically what I'm doing, in order to get that looking good again and almost fresh, I actually have my Wagner heat gun. I'm not sponsored by Wagner or Black & Decker because it's a Black & Decker mower. In any case, this heating gun, I've used it for other projects in the past, but what I'm going to do today is show you how to get the oxidation off of this plastic mower. Now, it'll work on anything. You have bumpers on your truck, like I got an old nasty truck here. You see the bumper, how it's all faded? You heat that up and it'll help make it look brand new again, or close to brand new. So I'm going to put this on a time lapse so you could just see kind of the whole process, start to finish, but you see how ugly that thing looks right now. So let's get at it and make it looking good again. As I mentioned, you guys, I use the Wagner Furno 300 heat gun. There's two temperature settings, 750 and 1100. I use 1100 degrees to get this thing cleaned up, looking good. Well, guys, tell me, what do you think? I think it came out pretty good. Hopefully you guys think the same thing. And if you have a project at your home that you have some plastic that's oxidized and you need to clean it up, a heating gun, a torch will actually do as well, but heating gun I think is a little safer. And with this mower, I think it looks pretty darn good from the way it was. So do me a favor, you guys, if you learned something today, hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and if you know someone that is in need to do stuff like this, share my YouTube channel with them. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, this is the Honey-Do List, signing out. Have a blessed day.